How to fix something went wrong on Instagram Reels. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can fix if something went wrong on Instagram Reels. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now first of all, let's just say that you were trying to watch Instagram, or let's say that you were just trying to log into your account and you were trying to post your own reel, but it simply said that something went wrong, error. Well, that could happen due to a couple of reasons, and in order to fix that, what we can do is first of all just go ahead and then long press on the Instagram app icon over here and then tap on the I button and then go to the option called storage. I want you to clear the cache files and also clear the data if possible. Clearing the data will reset the Instagram app, which means you need to relog into your account again. Now if that does solve your problem, well, that's basically fine. If it doesn't, well, the other thing we can do is we can launch our respective app store. If you're on Android, open your Play Store. If you're on iOS, open up your App Store, and in the search box you can just type in Instagram. Once you type in Instagram, I want you to go ahead and check whether or not the Instagram app has an update available, because if it does have an update available, then I want you to go ahead and then update the Instagram app to the latest version. What updating does is that it is going to get rid of most of the bugs and errors that existed in the previous version of the application. Last but not the least, I would also recommend you try to switch your network connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just turn on mobile data or cellular data. If you're using cellular data, try to switch to Wi-Fi, or even within Wi-Fi, you can try to connect to other networks that you might have in order to verify the issue. And hopefully one of these would have helped solve the problem. If it did help solve the problem, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.